told me that I'm too quiet in the bedroom. So this time I'll be more.
I need more. I need affirmation. I need to know you're into it.
I can do it. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
You're like a dead fish in there.
I can be more vocal.
Okay.
I'm not used to it.
Okay. It feels good, babe.
Oh, yes.
The fuck was that?
What? It was a dolphin sound. It was the first thing that popped in my head. You asked me to make noise, so the only thing that came to my head was to do a dolphin sound.
The only thing that came to your mind. Not, you look good, this feels great, ooh, I like that.
I am new to this.